The 11th season of the adventure and stunt-based reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi is all set to begin shoot. And here's the first confirmed list of the contestants that are taking part in the reality show. Rahul Vaidya. Bigg Boss Season 14 famed Rahul Vaidya has won millions of hearts with his performance in the reality show. Now he is all geared up for another reality show, Khatron Ke Khiladi's Season 11. Yes, Rahul Vaidya is coming back on the Indian television with the adventurous show and surely be tough competitor. Aijaz Khan. He was one of the toughest contestants of Bigg Boss last season but had to quit the show midway. And now Aijaz Khan is coming back, and that too with a bang in Khatron Ke Khiladi, and he is confident that he will nail every stunt. Nikki Tamboli. Nikki Tamboli became a very popular name through her stint inside the Bigg Boss house. Nikki showed everyone that she can go to any extent to win tasks, and this indomitable spirit will definitely help her in Khatron Ke Khiladi. Abhinav Shukla. He is the better half of Bigg Boss winner Rubina Dilaik, and Abhinav Shukla is ready to make an entry in Khatron Ke Khiladi. Abhinav Shukla could not win Bigg Boss, but this time he has made up his mind to win Khatron Ke Khiladi. Varun Sood. Ex-roadie and one of the gang leaders of last season of Roadies, Varun Sood is one of the confirmed contestants of Khatron Ke Khiladi's 11th season. The handsome hunk is already popular for his daring nature, and he will definitely be tough competition for others. Arjun Bijlani. TV actor and reality show host Arjun Bijlani received love and appreciation for his hosting of Dance Deewane. And now the handsome actor is all set to make a grand entry into India's own version of Fear Factor, Khatron Ke Khiladi. Aastha Gill. Popular singer of Bollywood Aastha Gill has been approached by the makers of Khatron Ke Khiladi for Season 11. As per reports, Aastha Gill was being approached by the makers for several seasons, and she has decided to do the 11th season of the show. Saurabh Raj Jain. The actor won millions of hearts with his performance in TV shows, and a different avatar of the actor will be seen. Saurabh Raj Jain has lots of fears, and to overcome those fears he has decided to take part in this show.